Bitcoin about to drop lower, or is the worst over following the crash below 39K? Crypto whales hunt for bargains as Bitcoin prices slide, data show. And we can see right now that since Bitcoin hit below 40K to 39K, all the market, they've been in red. You can see all the market has been in red. All the cryptocurrency have been dropping. And also, for the first time, we have the IBI crypto wallet being published, and they are the first company to do that when it comes to Bitcoin ETF. And this is their wallet on the screen. You can see it, guys, so you can verify all the BTC under them they're managing, and that will give a kind of transparency. All right, welcome to the show again. This is Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might just want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of the greatness that is happening on this great show. My name remains the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. So what are we going to do this morning? First of all, we can see the charts. The market is trading at 39,900 right now, and we are definitely going to talk about that. And also, we can see the market cap dropping every single day. What do we need to expect? Stick around. More of these are what I'm going to be sharing light into, and we're going to dive in it and talk about it together. But before I move on, we need to check what is trending. First of all, we see Grayscale is still trending. Why is Grayscale trending? Grayscale is trending because we have this understanding that it is because of them BTC went lower and a lot of money was pulled out of cryptocurrency due to the FTX whatever, so selling their own shares from the Grayscale. We can see PNDC trending, we can see Tau trending, we can see USDJPY is trending, also Mock JUP is trending, and we have Sprint Dollar also is trending. Talking about right now, that is what is trending on my feed. I don't know what is trending on your feed. Depends on who you follow, what you follow, and the information that is really trending out there. And if you're not subscribed to our social media channel, you might want to do that right now. You might want to subscribe to our X. You might want to subscribe to our Instagram. You might want to subscribe to our what's it called, Thread, excuse me. You might want to subscribe to our TikTok. You might want to subscribe to the Facebook. On this platform, you're going to get every content we're sharing for you live and direct, and you can see some of the videos, some of the things we've pulled there, so you can really be part of the greatness happening on this great platform. So having known what is trending, let's now go to what the market cap looks like. And we can see right now, as I'm speaking to you, as I'm recording this show, cryptocurrency market keeps dropping from 1.9 trillion, almost 1.9 trillion. Now we are now sitting at 1.650 trillion. That is 1,653,000,000,000. $73,962,069. That's what is showing right now on the tracker. And we can see the top 10 cryptocurrencies still remain the same. We have the number one sitting at Bitcoin. We have the number one sitting at Bitcoin. We have Ethereum at number 2. We have Theta at number 3. BNB at number 4. Solana number 5. XRP number 6. USDC number 7. Lido Stake number 8. Cardano number 9. And Dogecoin has regained top 10 back. Dogecoin is now sitting at 10, and I think the coin has appreciated a little bit because it was sitting at 0.05 some weeks ago, and now it's sitting at 0.07, and Dogecoin is a coin that has gone to almost 70 cent or 90 cent before. So when the all-time high comes again, this coin might do well. But mind you, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purpose in the entertainment. Do your own research before you invest in any coin, or you might do yourself a good thing by following our social media handles, by going down to the YouTube, check the descriptions. For those of you listening on X, you might want to follow our academy. We do free classes and all of that, and you can benefit from this great platform. We have Avalanche at number 11. Shiba Inu is now sitting at number 18. On the sister side as well, we can still see the top 10 still remain the same, talking from BTC, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, XRP, USDC, Cardano, Avalanche, Dogecoin, Tron, and etc. etc. You might want to check that out. From that, now we're not going to move to the calendar of the day. We saw that yesterday there was so much news in the market. So much news was happening, and that's why we see the crazy movement in the market yesterday. Market recovering back to 40k, dropping back to 39k, taking it back to 40k, and all of that. If you follow the chart yesterday, definitely you're going to see it. And we saw that there was good news coming out of the new the event news yesterday. Today, what are we expecting? We are expecting to see news from the Europe. We're expecting to see news from Japan, and a little bit more medium impact news. We're expecting to see medium impact news at coming out from US, and some good news talking about the unemployment claims, talking about the core durable goods month to month, the durable goods order. We're going to be expecting all these things, and all this news, they kind of show us how the economy and everything is doing. So some investors, they use that to maybe get out of the market or get into the market, and that's why it's always good, and that's why I make sure on this show we give you the best of the best out of this show. Don't worry, this is Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And now that we've seen that, we're going to check out the chart to tell us what could possibly be happening in this scenario. But I'm still going to come back there. Let's just know what is going around the whole space and see why we have the chart at where it is right now. We can see over 80% of OP tokens holder stay profitable. And also, we had the North Korea's crypto onslaught continue. We can also see that here Edward Snowden support legal defense fund for Tornado Cash developers. Also, a good news, JP Morgan analyst downgrades Coinbase, citing Bitcoin price decline. I don't know why they're going to downgrade Coinbase, because most of all these ETFs, they've chose Coinbase to be their custodian, even though Coinbase is now in court with SEC. We all know SEC is always taking people to court, so we're still going to see about it. I think they are just anti-crypto, or they're looking for the public, so their funds are not just being misused like FTX did, like 3 Arrows did, like Terra Luna Lab did, you understand? So, but they still need to slow their pedal down and make sure they verify the right thing and approve when the time is right. And also, we can see Cardano outperforms Bitcoin and Ethereum in this key metrics. So that's what I have to share for you over here. Ripple price crashes despite good news from Gemini, and we can see victim losses 4.2 million US dollars to yet to another phishing attack, and that's why we need to be careful out there. Let's move to another good news source over here. We can see what is here is the digital pound consultation will drop on Thursday. Also, we saw Bitwise become the first spot Bitcoin ETF provider to provide wallet address, and I just showed you that from beginning of the show. Now you can verify all their holdings. Also, we can see that why Tornado Cash remained the most pivotal legal case in crypto, and also Bitcoin ETFs kills the bull case for crypto equities. We're going to see that in the nearest future. Also, Solana delivers tokens extensions to attract compliances minded token developer. Excuse me. And we can see right here that Japanese lawmakers wants to carve out new Web3 policies. I think a lot of companies are doing that, so I'm not surprised they are doing it as well. And now, talking about the man of the moment, Donald Trump, label wallets has over 1 million of Trump meme coins, and this is where I'm going. Crypto shows that whales hunt for bargain has Bitcoin price slide. And what is this trying to tell us? Whales are ready to jump onto the market, and they're looking for the best place to jump onto. And I feel like 40,000 has been our support zone now for some time. If we're not able to break it down to 33,000 and below, or 34K thereabout, we might see them jumping in at that rate, and we'll see BTC pumping to like 80,000. And because we're not going to have 40,000 as the as we're gonna have 40,000 as the what's it called, as the support in the future when it drops 50% back. But I'm still gonna talk about that in the chat session. Okay, so right now let's check what is going on over here to talking about the news. We all know Avalanche Foundation set eligibility criteria for meme coin. Also, we can see that Cosmos Hub community reject atom inflation reduction proposal, and these are more at the news that are, trending on in the space rather. So now let's go down to the chart right now and see what is going on. But before I go to the chart, please, if you've not supported your boy, please do support your boy by subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get the video as I drop it. Like and share so we can reach a wider audience, and our video can also be out there doing great things. All right, let's go to the chart analysis now. Then we're going to talk about what is going on. You understand? You can see right here, yesterday we found out that there are different things happening when it comes to what will I call it, when it comes to the market. And it was because of there was so many news yesterday, so many news out of the calendar. But now let's talk about the chart. BTC excuse me, BTC is trading excuse me, I think I need some water. BTC is trading at 39,960 right now as I'm speaking to you. And what do we expect? We all see that BTC is now in a buying mode because we already break this lower resistance. If you see it at 40,180, we broke it, but it turns out to spike and the market came down back. So what are we going to do now? We can see we already have a structure. We have a buy structure already. But now what I'm scared about is I have what is now called a spike towards the downside. And we have 1, 2, 3. And whenever we have this could support it to continue what? The movement to the upside. And if you check the Fibonacci from here to here, we've already mitigated the buying zone. So what will I be expecting from BTC today? I will expect Bitcoin to rally between this zone if you don't see much buyer to come into the market, or I will expect BTC to break above 40K today or in the nearest future, because the structure shows BTC is a buy. When you look at the structure now, Bitcoin is a buy right now. Since we broke the 30K out, 39K, 40K, and we are able to regain back to that zone. I think the buyers are just not ready to sell below. But as a day trader, what are we supposed to do? Let me tell you, as a day trader, you have to consult the chart and see what's going on. Now, talking about where BTC stands as I'm talking to you, BTC is a buy, talking about structure-wise, but talking about trading-wise right now as a day trader, we have a sell signal being activated. That is a sell signal being activated. But even though we have the sell signal being activated, it might just be to move down to this point where it is right now. And now we can see another green candle are about to break 40,000. You understand? And if this green candle goes up and break this 14,000, we are back into the buying zone for day traders. And you can use your lower time frame to now start taking trades and looking for what? Buy alone. So what will I say to you guys? I'll tell you, just hope on looking for buy for BTC right now, because the structure is showing buy, no sell. Although for lower time frame we got a sell signal, but the direction is not actually confirmed, and it has already mitigated the buying zone. So when you're around the buying zone, why are you looking for sell? So we might just see BTC ranging around this point between 39k, 40k, 39k, 40k, but I just believe we should have a breakout then before probably we're going to see the market calm down. So if you have a buy, I'll tell you, you can stick to your buy and put your stop loss below 39,400, below 39,400. And if you're not in the market yet, you might just want to scroll down or go to our, if you listen on X, you might want to go to our YouTube channel, join our academy, our signal groups through the links in the description, where I'll be dropping more signals for you guys to get into the market so you can follow up on what is going on. But right now, I think BTC is a buy. With the structure and the signals I'm seeing on the screen right now, it's a buy, even though we have a sell in the lower time frame. But remember, lower time frame can just change anytime. But when you look at the structure right here from the buy, from the real market, you can see we have lower high, lower low, then we have the spike that brought the spike that is about to shoot it up. You understand? The moment we break 40,000 zone right now, we're going to see a massive buy. Then it now depends if the buyer are going to jump on it, or we're still going to be ranging between 39 and 4,500 to 39k. So you can just be looking for a nice buy within that zone and just be taking your trade and be just making some like 1,000 point, 800 point, and be pocketing the money. You understand? But right now, BTC is a buy. I can tell you that BTC is a buy. I'm not going to look for sell. I'll be looking for a buy. Although if a buy, a selling zone now activate and I saw the direction become a sell, I'm going to change. But for now, it's a buy, and that's why I'm sharing that for you on the show. So that is what we have on the BTC analysis, and that's what I have for you on the show today. Please comment in the comment section what other tokens, what other asset coins you want me to analyze on the show, so I can always add it to the chart analysis. And on YouTube too, please subscribe, like, and share, and drop comment also, and tell us where we can improve and other things you want us to add to the show. But before we end the show, definitely I have to check the fear and greed. You understand? That's the sentiment in the market. And when you look at the fear and greed right now, the fear and greed index is sitting at 52%. Yesterday it was around 48 when I checked, but now 52%. That means the greed has started to set in. And when the greed set in, that's where you're going to see the market just keep pumping. And when they keep pumping, you need to start taking profit, getting it out of the market. If you're a spot trader, if you're a future trader, make sure you always use your stop loss and use your take profit, so you're not caught underwear when they want to sell off the market. So that's what the fear and greed is showing today. All right, thanks for joining me, guys. This is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, the home of value. Excuse me. This Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazeem, and this is where we trade it and we do not gamble it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please support your boy Crypto Bean 101 on YouTube and all the platform. Please support your boy. You know, this is the channel where we give you good information. We give you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazeem, aka KC the Great. And until I catch you tomorrow on another episode of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it, please stay safe and it's peace out. Bye.